TS Eamcet second phase counseling. So many of you are having plenty of doubts regarding second phase counseling. So watch this video completely and do share it among all your friends. So this video will explain you complete process regarding second phase counseling. So here are some consequences. In first phase, you have been allotted a seat and you have self-reported and you have paid the college fees also, okay. And in phase 2, you did not participate. So it means that seat allotted in phase 1 will be retained. That is, phase 1 seat will be the final seat allotment. Okay, and let's go through some other example. Suppose that you have been allotted a seat in first phase and you have paid the college fees, you have completed the complete process, and in phase 2 you have exercised fresh options and seat is allotted in phase 2. Then phase 2 seat will be final allotment and phase 1 seat is cancelled. Remember this point. So make sure you allot better colleges in phase 2. Okay, in phase 1 you might have opted some average colleges. In phase 2 you opt better colleges than phase 1. Okay, and let's go through this third point. In phase 1 you have been allotted a seat and you have paid the college fees also. In phase 2 you have exercised options and no seat is allotted in phase 2. Then also you have phase 1 seat as backup. So make sure you pay the college fees in phase 1 itself. Accept the college and pay the college fees in phase 1 itself so that you can attempt phase 2 counseling. Now let's go through another consequence. In phase 1, seat has been allotted to you and you haven't paid the college fees. Okay, it means that you haven't accepted the seat and you did not participate in second phase. Then no seat will be allotted, obviously, because you don't have backup plan of phase 1. Okay, now let's see other example. And seat has been allotted to you and you have not accepted the seat. You have exercised fresh options and seat is allotted in second phase. Then the phase 2 seat will be final allotment and phase 1 seat is cancelled. Okay, and in case of the third example, you have been allotted a seat and you haven't paid the college fees. Okay, you haven't accepted it and you have exercised fresh options in phase 2 and no seat is allotted. Then no seat is allotted and phase 1 seat is also cancelled. So make sure you have a backup plan, that is, make sure you pay the phase 1 seat, then only go for phase 2. Now let's go through the third consequence. You have been allotted a seat but you haven't paid the college fees, you haven't reported online. Okay, and you have not participated in phase 2 also, then no seat will be allotted to you. And let's go to the other example. In this third column only, okay, you have been allotted seat but you have not reported and not paid the college fees also, and you have exercised fresh option and seat is allotted. Then the phase 2 seat will be our final allotment. Okay, now let's go to the third example. Seat has been allotted to you in first phase and you have not reported through online and you haven't paid the college fees also, and you have exercised options in phase 2 and no seat is allotted. Then finally no seat will be allotted to you. Now let's go to the fourth example. Seat has not been allotted to you, or else you haven't participated in phase 1 and you have exercised fresh options and a seat is allotted in phase 2. Then the phase 2 seat will be the final allotment. Hope so you understand this complete process. In the end, I conclude by saying you accept the seat in whichever college you have been allotted and pay the fee online before 15th of July and attend second phase counseling and try for a better college. Make sure you opt better colleges compared to the phase 1 colleges. Okay, and if you are having any kind of doubt, just comment below and do share this video in all the WhatsApp groups. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.